It's the progress so far. I'll let y'all know whenever I got it on there. Wasn't too hard. Anyone who's watching this probably knows anyways, but here's your axle, your bushings, and whatever you want to call those, spacers. But then you got to take the brake disc off of there, and you take the damn sprocket off of there, and you got to install it on your new bike, on your new tire, and put it on your bike. And I went ahead and cleaned this up with it a little bit before I put it back in. You know, you just want to clean it. You don't want to really take too much metal off of it. The teeth are good on this, so I went ahead and just left them completely alone. Just didn't want to mess with them. I only really did this to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to clear coat it so it don't rust. That should be good enough. Don't want to over torque it. Alright, whenever you're doing this part, you want to finger tighten them on and make sure all those go into those little grooves that they're made to go into. You don't want to torque this thing down whenever they're off. Like I said, for this kind of stuff, I always, when I'm taking it off, I put my impact on 3, and then whenever I'm putting it back on, I put my impact on 1, if I'm even using my impact. Most things I hand tighten, but this kind of stuff right here, you want it to be on. Well, now I'm going to put it on the bike. Right, that one goes like that. And you just put the other one on the other side. You can come over here so you can see it. Just put the other one in there. Push your axle through. Make sure when you do, this other one, make sure this thing's lined up the way it's supposed to be on the other side. And then you can go ahead and finish pushing it through. Make sure you got that on, so I'm going to have to take it back off. You can go ahead and... Yeah. And on that last one, just so you know, I turned my impact down, because it is a bigger impact. It doesn't need a whole lot. Alright, that's what I was trying to say earlier. Left that out of the end. That thing just overlaps a little knob in there, so that's really simple to put on. Then, if you wanted to, like, I loosen this thing up a little bit just so I could play around with it while it was off. So here we go, that's what it looks like on. It's the old one, so has a little bit of style to it now.